Hello! In this short video, I'm going to explain the Oath of Canadian Citizenship. These are the words that you say at your citizenship ceremony. It is not part of studying for the Canadian citizenship test, but it is important to understand the promise that you make. Your Discover Canada guide has an old version of the Oath of Citizenship on the inside cover, but there's a new and important update from June 2021. And this update includes the treaty rights for First Nations, Inuit, and Métis people. So I've included the new words for the new oath in the welcome area of this course. I will read through the oath now, and then we will look in a bit more detail about what the words mean. The Oath of Canadian Citizenship. I swear or affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, Queen of Canada, her heirs and successors, and that I will faithfully observe the laws of Canada, including the Constitution, which recognizes and affirms the Aboriginal and treaty rights of First Nations, Inuit, and Métis peoples, and fulfill my duties as a Canadian citizen. In the first two lines, you can see that the Oath of Citizenship is a promise that you make. There are some people who do not believe in swearing an oath because it has a religious basis. So I want you to understand why you see the words I swear, and then you see the words I affirm in brackets. I found a helpful definition for you because I believe it is very important when you make a legal or a religious contract or promise that you understand it fully. An oath is a form of words spoken by a person to promise that they are telling the truth. An oath refers to the God recognized by the religion of the person swearing the oath. On the other hand, an affirmation has the same legal effect as an oath, but it does not refer to God. So if you are uncomfortable with the religious part of swearing an oath, the Government of Canada accepts an affirmation as equal to swearing an oath. Now let's go back to the Oath of Citizenship, and let's look at the line that says, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, Queen of Canada. Here, it's important to understand that when you are swearing your oath at your citizenship ceremony, you are not swearing to the Queen or the King personally. Queen Elizabeth II and her successors, and her next successor will be a king, are representatives of the people of Canada. Another word we use in English to describe the king or queen as a representative is the word sovereign. Canada, as a country, is personified by the sovereign, just as the sovereign is personified by Canada. Personified means to represent in human form. The new lines about Aboriginal treaty rights are a very important change. Adding these new lines acknowledge the unique relationship and rights Indigenous people have as nations within Canada, and that Canadians must acknowledge and honor these rights as well. This is especially important because these rights have not been honored historically. So adding these lines to the Oath of Citizenship is one small step toward creating better relationship with Indigenous Canadians. I hope this short video about understanding the Oath of Citizenship will help you enjoy your citizenship ceremony just a little bit more with a better understanding of the promise you make to Canada. See you again soon.